Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general settings we have to find the section connected with the battery. So as you can see, it's almost at the top. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the battery percentage option. So simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, basically immediately the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will be displayed next to the battery icon. Unfortunately, in this device we do not really have another option, so for example to display the battery inside the battery icon, but that's okay. This option is enough. You can turn it off the same way if you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.